Up, y'all? It's your boy here again. Just kind of like getting through with this one joint. I'm gonna play it for y'all. I want you to tell me what you think, man. It's another band in here going crazy and ape doo. I'm gonna say that so it'll be safe, so all of the pastors and my mom won't get me. But you know, I do enough cussing. But check this out. Begin.
Soon as the beat kick in, move your body and grab your friend. Get your drink, rosé, 2 girl, it's your song, hit the floor to go in. I say when the beat start knocking, till your body get rocking. Girls start popping and the boys start shocking like the booty unbuckle my belt while you jacket. It's incredible, how do you move like that? Your body is so edible and smooth like that. Ride the beat just like Sierra when you groove like that. Up and down and all around when you prove all that. She make me wanna blast off like a Japanese rocket. Now when that's all I spend, running space in these pockets. If you wanna get the rhythm and the beat of my pocket, then drop it. I say when the beat start knocking till your body get rocking. Girls start popping and the boys start shocking. Make the booty unbuckle my belt while you drop it. I say when the beat start knocking till your body get rocking. Girls start popping and the boys start shocking. Make the booty unbuckle my belt while you drop it. Baby, it's body that you got a lot of Chanel dot Fendi, Queen of the Prada, Test Rider, Sun Devil, NASCAR Mazda, 5 shift gears of the pleasure hammer hopper. Girl, you can get dick but dollars they'll nada. Unless you the best, not to say fuck the rest. You can Taliban tongue ring around my beater. Al-Qaeda head fire 9 times off the meter. Rinse you to press that Kia. It's easier to listen to Sullivan, Hilson or Vita. Real men G up, you know who can get it and who just get the 1, 2, 3 ski up. Sitting on the stairs or the toilet with the seat up. That UFC beat up. Calling for a re-up anytime 2 hours after work they wanna meet up with that Powerade Red Bull 5-hour beat up. Girl, you the shit on me, no D-A. Make a nigga pull a wallet C-A-R-D up. Swag on 2015 when you speed up. I'm looking for a thick thigh boss bitch to meet up. Soon as the beat kick in.
Hey, so tell me a little bit about what you think about that, man. I'm almost done with it, just about. So, man, there's a part 2 to it that yes, it's going in. So holla at your boy.